Hello. Hi. Yeah. So much for being consistent. Yeah, I was gonna make a video. Well, I've made several videos, and then I was like, I don't feel like editing. So I didn't. I got a new book though. I keep saying that I'm gonna do a book review, and I've read 2 books so far, and I have not reviewed any of them. Yeah, I'll get to it eventually. But then again, I was gonna start reading this book. This is Bring Down the Duke. I think it's a period piece. I'm not sure, probably so, since there's a Duke involved. I don't know. I don't read the synopsis of books sometimes because I like a little surprise. Like I'll read like the little, I guess it's not really a synopsis, but like or a summary, but like, you know, those little like, it gives you a little taste of the book, but it doesn't tell you, it gives you enough that like it's enticing. That's what I read, and then like it's like a couple weeks later, and then when I get the book, and then I already forget what it's about, so I don't even know what it's about. But I also got this book, and I think I'm gonna read this one over the other one first because it seems funny. This was one of the books of the month for November. So this is How to Marry Keanu Reeves in 90 Days. What? That seems funny. I feel like this is going to be a funny little book, a funny little read. I don't know how many pages this is. Probably, oh, it's going to be a quick read. It's only 300 and, what is this? 300, like 20? Yeah, 320 pages. It's a quick read. That's like a weekend, you know, cleaning the house, quick read kind of book. But honestly, I could probably finish this in a day tonight, but I'm not going to because I try not to rush through my books. I like to savor them, okay? So savor the days, not the days, the pages. So yeah, but this is by K.M. Jackson. So yeah, eventually I'll let you know how I like the book. I'm so sorry, y'all. Yeah, I really like doing these like non-traditional little quick videos because it's just easier for me, and I've been getting comments on my videos saying I should be, well, they can't wait to like for me to be more consistent, which I feel like is passive aggressive for saying for me to be more consistent, but I would do the same. So I'm not mad at you because I would do the exact same, and I'm trying to be consistent. Is it working? Not really, but I am trying. So, but yeah, also if you're wondering, this, oh, I got this, by the way, new dresser. Love that. Did not build it. I paid someone to do it. And they also moved my couch into my apartment. By the way, I have a couch now, so the place is really coming together. We love that. I'm supposed to, there's this mirror that I want to get, but every weekend I'm like, oh, I don't feel like getting it. Honestly, I could go today and go pick it up, but I just don't feel good. Like, I'm not sick, it's just, you know, the time of the month. It's not giving. So, yeah. But I need to finish this. I want to read this really fast. Probably gonna finish it. I try and, if it's like a 300 books, I try and read like maybe 100 pages a day if I have time. So usually it would take me about 3 days. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna be traveling this year out of the country. I'm traveling. What? I'm traveling out of the country by myself this year. And I'm very nervous. I'm going to England to go see family, because I actually do have family in England. Whenever I was doing that little, like, when I was lying for like 13 minutes straight, I did have some truths. I do have family in Ipswich, so I'm gonna be visiting them for the holidays. So, you know, you'll see me in the U of K. Okay? That's not right. U of K. United There's no of in the middle. Anyways, but yeah, I have that going for me. Work has been fun. I like the people I work with. That's cool. I made friends. I have video of me going to a Halloween party, which was a couple weeks ago. That was fun. And me preparing to go to the party. I went to the corner store in full makeup. Like, people opened doors for me and stuff. I was like, relax. Okay, relax. Weird. But yeah. It's been fun. It's been lit. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm talking about. It's been 5 minutes of me just saying nonsense. Guys, I'm getting a skin peel, like a chemical peel. Yes. Eventually this will all be gone and I'll have clear skin again. Love that. I get a more invasive one on Wednesday. So I told some of my coworkers that when I get the skin peel, just know you won't be seeing me. No, you won't be seeing me, not on the camera, not in person. You won't be seeing me. Because I'm about to be looking like a leprosy victim, and that's just not my thing. That's not my thing. Okay, we're not doing that. So yeah, I'm excited about that though. I'll document it. You guys can see that because we're cool like that. But yeah, I'm finally doing some laundry. I do my laundry every weekend. I try not to do it during the week because I know that I'll something will get left in the dryer. God forbid the washer, because I don't have time for mildew clothes. You know, we don't want our clothes to smell like cheese. That's just not cute. We don't do that. Not in this household. But sometimes things get left in the dryer. So whenever I do it during the weekend, during the week. So I prefer to do it on the weekend, and then by the end of the day, everything is clean and in my drawers or in my closet. So yeah. Yo, I'm so it's so weird. What is my life? I just feel like every day when I go to work and hang out with friends that I made a couple weeks ago, it's just I feel like I'm Jackson MVP, or living in a movie. It's giving main character energy. I don't know. It's fun though, but I do feel like Jackson MVP. But funny enough, I was talking to the receptionist at my work, and she's like, "Do you mind me asking, how old are you?" And I was like, "Oh, I'm 23." And she's like, "Oh, I thought you were 28." And I'm like, "Why do you think that?" But apparently I'm pretty mature, very mature. No, I'm not. It's all a facade. It's all a lie. Was that a Musically moment? You know when they're like, I was never on Musically because I was like, ew, why are these kids freaking grinding? This is very uncomfortable. Also, I was older by then. I think I was an older teen, so, and Musically was full of little kids trying to thirst trap, and I was just ew, keep that over there. So I was on Vine, you know? I was having my Vine moment. Love that for me. It's funny because Vine was my age group thing. A lot of the Viners that were really popular, all the Madcom boys, are my age. Also, let's talk about how, what's his name? He's a singer. He sings that, what is that song? Everyone thinks he's gay, but he's not, supposedly. what's his name? I forget his name. You'll see it in the comments. But he used to be a Madcom boy, and it's just so weird. Also, like, what happened to Nash Greer? He has a whole family now. Like, that's so weird to me. And he's actually my age. He's 23, or about to be 23, or about to be 24. I don't know. I'm about to be 24. I turned 24 in January. I'll be in England for my birthday, so that's gonna be fun. Something finished drying. Love that. What was I even talking? Oh yeah, I wanted to ask if you guys wanted to do live videos. I think that would be really fun, like on the weekend, like Friday afternoons. After work, I'll come in and we can like cook together. So I know some of you guys are in England that watch. What time is that there? That's like midnight. Ooh, no, that's like 11 o'clock. Would you guys be okay with that? And anyone else that doesn't live out in the US of A, or in, what is it, the same time zones vicinity, let me know. But yeah, I think that could be fun. Or around 5 o'clock. I don't know, whatever works for y'all best, just let me know in the comments. But I really want to start going live and like cooking together, because I do want to do more cooking videos, but those take a lot more time to edit, because I have to do like different angles and stuff like that, and I do like voiceover in it. So I don't know, y'all let me know. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say, and I think I've been talking for too long. But you guys have a great day, a great week, and then whenever you finally get to the weekend, or if this is the weekend when you're watching this, have a great weekend too. All right, you know the drill. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, and that's saying a lot. Okay, bye.